Hello and welcome, crafty friends. This is Rachel, Crafting Mama Bear. Today I'll be showing you how I made this spa gift bag using items from Dollar Tree and the Bolero line. For the basket, I picked up this green basket and then added some lace ribbon that you can find at Dollar Tree. I also used 2 bags of shred, one in yellow, one in white, and I'll be using some of this green ribbon and some green and white baker's twine that you can find in the crafting section. So for this basket, I know it's been done a bazillion times using the Bolero products, but they really are wonderful products, and I couldn't not make a gift basket using them. So I picked up one of everything that I could find in the coconut cream and vanilla scent. I also got a loofah that matched the color scheme, and you can definitely make this in a more Christmassy color with red, but I went off of the packaging from Bolero and it has a green yellow feel to it, so that's what I went with. As far as placing the items in the basket, just do what works for you. It usually works best if you use the taller items in the back and then the shorter items in the front, just so you can see what's in the basket. Everything fit really nicely into this size container, so I didn't feel the need to use glue dots or anything to hold the items in place. And I also know that there are a couple more Bolero products. I believe there's a paper face mask and a paper foot mask. I cannot find those at any of my Dollar Trees, so I think those are the only 2 items that I did not include into this basket. As far as wrapping up my basket, I'm using one of the gift basket bags. It comes in a package of 2 for $1. Once I have the plastic on, I'm going to take some of this ribbon that I just had left over in my stash, and I'm going to add it to the basket and give it just a little bit more flair. It's going to just jazz up the basket a little bit more, and I think it just gives it a little extra touch and makes it a little bit more put together. Definitely don't have to do this. It was just extra ribbon that I had lying around, and I thought that it would be great to add to this basket. So I just took the ribbon, kind of wrapped it around my fingers so it would kind of have a spiral look to it, and then just added it to the basket and let it kind of do what it wanted. And I had already kind of wrapped and packaged this gift basket up, and then I thought, man, I should probably take a video of this and post it for people, since I got a pretty good response from my last gift basket video for a new mom. If you haven't seen that, I will link it at the end of this video, so you can just click on the picture and watch that video. Now, the package for the bags comes with twist ties to tie off the top. I am going to use them. If that's not your thing, you don't have to use it. I just think it's easier to get into than using something else. Anyways, and I took the corners of the bag and taped them to the back so they weren't poking out. For my tag, I did make this tag that says Merry Christmas, and I used some ink and made it green so it matched the theme of the basket, and the baker's twine is, like I said, from Dollar Tree. You can absolutely use a gift tag from Dollar Tree and add it to your bag. You can use a bow, you can tie some ribbon on the top, whatever your heart desires, you do that. This basket is, I think, a wonderful idea, and for pretty cheap. It's going to give them a lot of really great products for under $20. So if you have someone special in your life, definitely make them a Bolero gift basket. I don't know anybody who would not appreciate that. So here it is, all finished, all wrapped up. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel and it helps other people find my videos easier. So until next time, bye-bye.